Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset of your MMI in your Audi A3 or A3 Sportback car. We are sitting in the car and now we are going to perform an factory reset of your MMI system. The MMI system's multimedia interface by Audi in your Audi. It is built in, and if you are a new owner of that car or you're going to sell your car, you should perform a hard reset to delete all files on this car for you. So how we can use it? Ignition on, you do not have to start the engine. Then navigation is rotating on the knob and enter it by using the knob pushing. Then next thing is we have to go to menu, the main menu as you can see, and there is a setup icon on the right upper side. How we can reach that? On the knob there is an upper right button, an upper down button, an upper left button, and down left button, and we are going to use now the upper right button, as you can see. So nice, here we are, and you can see this is the setup language and the measurement unit and the speech dialogue system and the display drivers and the factory settings. Awesome. Let's go to factory settings. We can select all entries: sound settings, radio, media, directory. We can telephone, Bluetooth, navigation settings, navigation memory, speech dialogue systems. We can choose what we are going to make factory settings. But if you are the new owner or you're going to sell us, select all entries. And now you can see everything is chosen. Now restore factory settings. Yes, let's go. Now it cost you only a second. You are back in business with the new and restored system as well. That's easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.